Ooh, we are growing a Pak Choi, yeah? Oh, let's see the Pak Choi, yeah? So we bought the Pak Choi from the Tesco and then we cut it, yeah? Just cut like this, or like that, yeah? And then put it in the water, and then you put it in the jar like this. Well, this jar is, it's from the pudding that we did, and then we wash it, and then put the water and put the Pak Choi inside it, eh, Max? After a few days, it's sprouting like that. See this one? Oh, this is sprouting. This is also sprouting. This one also sprouting. There's another one. This is sprouting. Oh, this one was this jelly just from the coconut oil, I think. This one. Wow, but it still can be used. So we wash it properly, and then after a while, I think you see that root there, rooting a bit. Also, this will not be. After we plant it to the soil, I think like a bit 2 weeks time. That one, like that. I think they grow better in the soil. They grow quicker in the soil. We got that one. It looks like a real Pak Choi now. That one also. Oh, this is growing very good. Wow. And then this one is the first one we do. This one we cut, yeah, from, I think I start this one on the 17th of May, and then today is 15th of May, so almost a month this one. This big, wow. Soon we don't need to buy Pak Choi anymore, aren't we, Max?
The Pak Choi.
Oh, don't put it outside then. Put it inside then. Whoa, wow. See. Whoa, you got so many Pak Choi, haven't we, Max?
Is all the Pak Choi.
All the Pak Choi. Oh, you ruined my plant out now. See? Well, because just make a video about all the soil. We can put it in there by the window.
Mommy, go there. Go there. Yeah.
Yeah. No. Be careful. Don't let the water sink.
No,
Don't spill it, yeah. Oh, you throw the water in there. Pour it. Where's the Pak Choi gonna leave then if you move it? So bye bye everyone then. Thank you for watching. Max. Thank you everyone. Oh, he's running my Pak Choi now. Oh no. Oh, are you sneezing? Bless you. Oh no. No. Can I say bye bye everyone?
Bye bye everyone.
It's really fun to plant the Pak Choi. We can grow Pak Choi in our garden. We just need to buy the Pak Choi from Tesco or any grocery market, and then we cut it a bit, like about 2 centimeters, and then put in the jar, and then fill with some water, and then wait for a few weeks, and then we can, when there is start sprouting the root, and then we can.
So big water.
Yes. Oh no, you're playing water, and then we can transplant to the pot. Hey, where is all my Pak Choi gone? Max, where's all my Pak Choi gone? Oh no, my Pak Choi is, oh my god. I think it's time for them to go to the soil. Okay, see you in a bit, yeah. Say bye-bye, everyone. Say bye-bye, everyone. This is all my Pak Choi. Bye, thank you for watching. Oh, see, after not even 1 month yet, the root already sprouting. This means healthy Pak Choi. Also, this one is about, you see the root, they start sprouting. That one, that bit. Oh, that one also get more root coming out. That one is just only new, so not yet. I just planted this one about maybe a few days, actually 3 or 4 days. See, all my Pak Choi collection. This is my first time ever grow the Pak Choi in my own kitchen, and well, I grow in the kitchen until this big, and then I transplant to the to the soil and move it to the outside. Well, they like to be warm, I think, but it's like summer now, so safe for the Pak Choi to go. Well, we don't really need this one. Also, we have to move like that if they got a dirty thing. We don't really need that one. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to plant this one on the soil, and then this is my collection of Pak Choi.